For growing businesses, customer support usually forces a difficult choice between two extremes. On one end, you have the standard shared team email inbox, messy, crowded, and highly susceptible to human error. On the other end, you have traditional ticketing portals that force every customer interaction through a rigid, unfeeling assembly line. Many teams start with that basic shared inbox. It's free and comfortable. But as a business scales, an inbox with multiple people in it turns into a liability. A customer emails a question, two team members assume the other is handling it, and the message simply slips through the cracks. The conventional fix is migrating to a traditional help desk platform like OSTicket or Zamad. The problem is, these platforms rely on formal ticket numbers and portal logins. While they solve the organizational mess, they strip away the personal, conversational feel of a standard email. The customer suddenly feels like a number in a queue. HelpScout built a massive following by offering a middle ground. It preserves the clean, familiar feel of an email thread while adding the organizational structure of a true help desk underneath. But that perfect balance comes with a catch. HelpScout charges a monthly fee for every single user on your team. As your support staff grows, that cost scales aggressively. This leaves small and medium enterprises stuck. You are forced to choose between maintaining a personal, efficient support workflow and protecting your software budget. Finding an option that satisfies both has historically been nearly impossible. We can map this dilemma by looking at this quadrant chart. The horizontal axis tracks the workflow, from a conversational email feel to formal tickets. The vertical axis tracks the infrastructure cost, from free up to expensive software as a service subscriptions. Basic tools like a shared Gmail or Outlook account sit in the bottom left. The price is right, but they lack the collaborative features required for a team to function properly. Moving to the bottom right, we find traditional open-source ticketing systems. They are highly structured and cost-effective to run, but they sacrifice that direct, conversational email workflow. HelpScout lands in the top left. It achieves that ideal conversational workflow perfectly, but its per-user pricing pushes it high up on the cost axis. This empty space in the bottom left, the ideal quadrant, is exactly where FreeScout enters the picture. It is an open-source platform deliberately designed to replicate the HelpScout experience for free. The primary question for businesses evaluating it is whether the technical requirements of self-hosting are worth those subscription savings. To answer that, we have to evaluate the platform's core trade-offs objectively, starting with the front-end user experience. FreeScout is built on a shared inbox architecture. The developers deliberately stripped away traditional IT terminology. You won't find references to incidents, strict ticket statuses, or complex resolution paths. The result is an interface that looks and operates exactly like a standard email client. If a team member knows how to use an everyday inbox, they can use FreeScout on day one. There is virtually zero learning curve when transitioning your staff. Achieving that simplicity requires leaving specific features behind. By avoiding a rigid ticketing structure, organizations lose the ability to implement advanced workflow rules, particularly detailed service-level agreement tracking. If your business requires strict time-to-resolution metrics, FreeScout will feel too light. However, it upgrades the basic email experience by adding essential native collaboration tools. Collision detection alerts you if another agent is already typing a reply to a customer, and private internal notes let your team discuss an issue directly inside the thread without the customer ever seeing it. FreeScout successfully cures the duplicate reply problem of a messy shared inbox. But because it lacks formal workflow tracking, it will frustrate teams that rely on complex task management separate from their direct customer conversations. Moving to the right side of our scorecard, we have to look at the back-end infrastructure. The front-end experience is simple, but the back-end dictates what this software actually costs your business in time and effort. FreeScout is a self-hosted, open-source application built on the Laravel PHP framework. You must install and run it on your own compatible server environment. The financial benefit here is absolute control over your spend. You completely eliminate the per-user SaaS taxes that commercial platforms charge. Instead, your business pays a flat, highly predictable monthly rate for basic web hosting, regardless of how many people join your support team. The trade-off is responsibility. Your business assumes 100% of the ongoing maintenance. You have to apply security patches, manage your own data backups, and keep the server running. There is no official, fully managed cloud option provided by the FreeScout project. The core platform includes the mailboxes and basic collaboration tools, but FreeScout expands its capabilities through an official marketplace of add-on modules. This ecosystem works similarly to WordPress plugins. This is where the free label requires a small asterisk. If your team needs detailed reporting analytics, Slack notification integrations, or specific CRM connections, you will need to purchase those specific modules from the marketplace. The true cost of adopting FreeScout isn't a software license. The cost is the technical debt of maintaining a Laravel environment, keeping it secure, and curating your own custom stack of add-on modules to get the exact features you need. The decision ultimately comes down to whether that specific technical debt is justified by the financial savings. For a growing support team, the numbers offer a very clear answer. This chart compares 1 year total cost of ownership. A 10-person team on Help Scout climbs to $650 monthly. Contrast that with self-hosting FreeScout. Standard hosting remains flat at $35 a month. Even with premium modules, the yearly budget impact is minimal. For a small or medium enterprise, retaining roughly $5,000 to $7,000 annually provides massive return on investment. That financial cushion easily justifies paying a developer for a few hours of occasional server maintenance. This decision tree outlines who should adopt FreeScout. First, do you require formal SLA tracking? If you require strict ITIL compliance and resolution timers, avoid FreeScout. You need a traditional system like Zamod or OSTicket. Next, evaluate your technical baseline. If your business has absolutely zero capacity to manage basic web hosting or run routine backups, you should swallow the high cost and stick to a managed SaaS platform like Help Scout. The perfect match is a cost-conscious SME transitioning out of a chaotic shared email inbox, or a team migrating away from expensive Help Scout subscriptions who can handle basic Laravel hosting. If you fit that profile, a successful migration requires focus. Prioritize moving only your active, ongoing conversations. Attempting to map years of historical support data into a new system often creates unnecessary technical friction. Before giving your agents access, configure your distinct mailboxes and populate your saved replies. You want your team to log in on day one to a clean, familiar environment that immediately speeds up their workflow. Run your old email system and FreeScout in parallel for 2 weeks. This lets you confirm your email routing is configured properly before fully retiring your old platform. By taking on the responsibility of hosting, you completely sever your software costs from your team size. FreeScout stands as the definitive choice for growing businesses that demand the personal touch of a shared inbox without the punishing subscription costs.